on? What's in there? There's something in there. Is there a bug? Is it a bug? Phantom? Phantom? Get out of there! She can't get out, all the stuff is in there. How'd you get locked in there? And will you shut up? Come on, Phantom. Shut up. No? There's nothing in there, dummy. The treats we have you don't like. She doesn't believe me. The treats that we have you do not like. Well, try it. Well, you don't like it. I don't know why you're getting excited. Shut up. Come here. See? You don't like them. You're not even going to eat these. There's the treats, Bentley. So you all that, and you're not going to eat the treats. Try one.
Are they hard?
They're like the kinds that they ate 2 days ago. They ate them 2 days ago. You, little missy, are an asshole.